Hi guys, it's Autumn from Creations by Autumn. I wanted to give you a little bit of information about what my page is about, what my channel is about, and what are some of the things that I will be doing for you guys on here. First off, I am an independent designer for Chalk Couture. So, some of the stuff that as a designer you will get a startup kit to kind of launch your business. So that's what I'll be doing, and I'll be showing you kind of how to do it and things like that. But what I wanted to show you was some of the things that are in the designer kit whenever you sign up for whatever month at whatever time. So let's get started. The first thing I have is a that I received in the kit was the folder. Mine's kind of messy, but it's a folder that looks similar to this one, and you will get information and things like that in there with transfers and stuff like that. What I have first off in the folder, if I can get it organized, is the designer startup guide, and it looks something like this. And you'll get bits of information to get started for as a designer. Next, I have just some more information about your startup kit. Then you will get these amazing catalogs that are available every time you when you have your designer kit. They're in your designer kit whatever time you signed up. As for me, I signed up this month, so I have a spring and summer collection catalog for 2020. And it has some amazing stuff that you can order and for your people to order, things like that. Then we get these amazing transfers, different sizes. These are the A size. And then you have you have the B size, which in the kit you have 5 of these. So you got that one, you have this one, just to kind of go through them real quick. You got different kinds, which are amazing. Let me put those back up. So that's all that comes in your folder. Yeah, that's everything that comes into your folder, which you get this amazing size box, like a box of just amazing things to basically get you started with. But that was just what was in the folder, which was in the kit also, which was in that box, which is the kit. Then you get the board and base, which is this is what you will use your paste on, which I'll show you in a minute what's in the box for paste. But this is the board and base. This is the board, and then you have the base in the back, which you can, when you start using your paste, you can do them this way or you can do them that way, which is really fun and exciting. Then you have your apron, your Chalk Couture apron. I haven't opened mine yet, but this is the Chalk Couture logo black apron. Then you have, you get a pack, a 12 pack of thank you notes and envelopes to send out. Then we have the tag minis with twine that you can put through the holes to kind of decorate with these, which is amazing. Then you have chockable chips, which these are 12 pack. I don't know if you can see that, but these are a 12 pack of chockable chips that you can also use your paste on. Then you have the Club Couture. This is another different little thing. If you don't want to start out as a designer, this is something that you could look into to kind of go with if you wanted to be able to do something monthly with the paste. That will be something that you can get on into that I will explain further down in videos. Now for the pastes. These are the different pastes that you will use. They're washable pastes that you can use on different surfaces that you have that you can get. These are the surfaces that you have. And then So this one is well, first off, let me do this one. This is the small squeegee. This is what you will use on your pastes, on your bases or your surfaces to begin to get your results from the paste. So now to the paste. The paste is washable, like I said, and this color is the guava paste. It's the guava color. It's like a cute little pink color. Then you have the Couture Teal, which this is the Chalk Couture main color. As you see, the squeegee's teal. What else is teal? Like this label on here is teal. Like many things like that are teal color. Then we have the Bumblebee color, which is a cute yellow color, which is really cute. Then the Spring Zing, which is a nice green color, really cute. Then, of course, the Bright White, which is just a nice little white color. All right. Then we have the most important big thing in the bottom of your kit that you will also get to design. I didn't open it, but I am going to open it now. You get a amazing board, Couture Gallery white framed board that you can use. It's a really nice soft color that you can use and do different Chalk Couture side transfers on and things like that, which is really, really neat. So that I think that covers all of what comes in the kit, which is really exciting. You get a bunch of things to start off with. Of course, if you want to purchase anything or do anything different, you can definitely look into that or talk to your sponsor. But that is what comes into the Chalk Couture Designer Kit, and I'm super, super excited to get started. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.